Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to install or run the .exe file on your Google Chromebook, then this video is for you. First, you have to simply search for app on fly, search for this and you can find the app on fly. Simply click on it and you will find this website where you can find the start free trial. You can simply click on start free trial and wait for this blue start trial button. Simply click on it and it will just start a Windows 10 machine on your this tab where you can actually access a parallel space, and here you can find your Chromebook here. So go to the Chromebook and use this app on fly to get this from here. So like yes, and here you can see it is connecting and waiting for responses here, and here is the expiry time that trial expires time here, the timer here. So you have to subscribe it within this time or after the time the trial is over. So you have to wait until it's load. It can take a while, so you have to take patience after it's load. So here you can see the Windows 10 section here, so Windows 10 button here. So you have to simply click on this. Let me show you. It's not responding well right now, so you have to wait until it responds properly. Here you can see now it will respond properly. Now you can find the Microsoft Edge for default. Now simply click on it and you can simply download any exe file, so you can run it on your Windows this Chromebook. So you can simply click on it and here you can see it has just updated, and it can be laggy in some issues, some causes here. So yes, accept all, and it's totally new system from here. Like yes, accept all. Now from here I'm going to search for Steam, for example Steam, and we can find the Steam. Here it is. Now if you want to download the Steam on the exe file will download for the installation, so simply click on install Steam. So you have to wait until it loads. Here you can see Steam installed the Steam on Windows. Simply click on it and it will start download the exe file. So here you can see it has started the .exe file. So if you want to run this program on your this Chromebook, then you can simply click on that file from here. Simply one click is enough to install or run the exe file on your Chromebook. So here you can see it is just running. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.